In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GIFs to Trello cards. If you want your cards to be more visual, a quick animated GIF can make status updates clearer and keep your team engaged. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few tips so everything works smoothly the first time. Start by opening your Trello board where you want the GIF to live. Make sure you're in the right workspace and that you have permission to edit the board. Take a moment to locate the specific card you want to enhance. Maybe it's a task in progress, a design concept, or a bug that needs a quick demo. Click the card you want to put a GIF on. This opens the card details view, where you'll see the title, description, activity, and options down the right side. Think of this as the hub for everything related to that task. Next, click inside the description box. This puts the card in edit mode and gives you a place to add context around the GIF, like a short caption, what the animation demonstrates, or any instructions your teammates should follow. You can add that context now or right after you attach the file. Either way works. Now attach the GIF. On the right-hand side of the card, look for the attachment option, click it, then choose your computer or device as the source. Navigate to the folder where your .gif file is stored, select it, and confirm. Trello will upload the file and add it to the card's attachments. Give it a moment if the file is large. Once the upload finishes, you'll see the GIF listed in attachments, and Trello will display an animated preview on the card. If you typed in the description, don't forget to click Save so your text isn't lost. Keeping that description up to date helps teammates understand why the GIF is there and what action, if any, is expected. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Smaller GIFs upload faster and play more reliably, so consider optimized files when possible. Clear file names make it easier to find the right asset later. If the animation doesn't play immediately, a quick refresh usually resolves it. And remember, anyone with access to the card can view attachments, so keep content appropriate for your workspace. That's all there is to it. Open your board, open the card, click the description box, attach the GIF from your device, and save your text. With that, your Trello cards become more informative at a glance, and your team can get the message faster without extra meetings or long explanations.